Ha! Week 2 ng ating sub 145 para sa half marathon. And today's program is interval run. Night is 6 by 800 ulit tulad nung last week na interval natin. But this time, I will try to keep more control tayo today. Unlike before, yung unang reps natin is medyo mabilis tayo. At ang tendency yung bandang huli natin, although pasok pa rin dun sa target natin, medyo pagod na talaga tayo, medyo kapos tayo. Kaya as much as possible yung first reps natin, ikikip ko lang na control na within the window pa rin. Target natin today is 428 to 438. So try natin na 430 for the first reps and then maintain natin yon. Kung bumilis tayo bandang dulo, walang problema as long na yung first 1 to 2 reps natin ikikip natin in control. Warm up muna tayo. Let's go! Ha! I'm done. 6 sets, 800. Woo! Thank you Lord. Cooling down lang tayo ng 1 kilometer. Nakuha natin target natin today na mag-stay lang tayo dun sa target pace natin, which is 428 to 438. Hindi tayo nag-overspeed. And I feel the difference from last week interval. Ngayon, kahit naka-anim tayo, feeling ko kaya ko pang mag-2 sets. Unlike nung last week. Okay, yung first 2 sets mo na lay low ka lang but within the target pace. At yung last na 4, kaya nating mag-overspeed pero nag-lay low din tayo. At medyo umarangkada lang tayo dun sa huli dahil huli naman. And that's a wrap for today's interval run. Keep running guys, keep motivated. God bless everyone. Peace out!